Imagine having a personal assistant that works 24/7, helping you find the best video ideas, write catchy titles, edit faster, and even reach more viewers worldwide, all without hiring anyone. Well, that's exactly what AI can do for your YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use AI step by step to grow your channel faster, save time, and maybe even turn it into a full-time income. YouTube is more competitive than ever. Over 500 hours of video uploaded every minute. AI helps you work smarter, not harder. With AI, you can discover trending topics, optimize titles and thumbnails, create scripts instantly, and translate content to reach new countries. A small cooking channel used AI to find trending recipes and auto-translate captions into Spanish. Their audience doubled in 3 months. For content ideas, use ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude. Ask, give me 20 trending video ideas in my niche that are likely to rank in 2025. VidIQ AI Coach suggests topics based on search trends, while Google Trends plus AI summarizers find hot topics in real time. AI can turn bullet points into professional YouTube scripts with hooks, storytelling, and call to actions. Always edit for your personal tone so it feels authentic. For thumbnails, use Canva Magic Media, Midjourney, or Leonardo AI. AI suggests color psychology: red for urgency, yellow for attention. Keep text to 3, 5 words max. Tools like Descript, Runway ML, and Pika Labs auto-cut dead air, remove filler words, and generate subtitles. Descript lets you edit video like text, delete words, and it deletes that video section. Use AI for SEO-friendly titles, descriptions, and tags in multiple languages. AI auto-translates subtitles to reach new audiences worldwide. AI content calendars help you plan uploads 3 months in advance. Tools like Notion AI and Trello integration organize your publishing schedule. Consistency builds trust. AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to make you unstoppable. Use it to save time, stay consistent, and reach a bigger audience than you ever thought possible. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.